So hi everyone, let's read this question. At the time of short circuit, the electric current in the circuit will be, some options are given. Let's understand the meaning of short circuit. We are having a one battery, okay? It is connecting like this. This is two loads, 3 ohm, 6 ohm. Now if I ask like this is 6 volt, let us suppose 6 volt. If I ask find the value of current, how much current is going to supply to 3 ohm, 6 ohm? You can tell I will be V by R. 6 by 3 plus 6, that is 9. 3 3 is a 9, 3 2 is a 6. So I will be 2 by 3 ampere. This is the value of current that is passing through 3 ohm and 6 ohm. Now if I ask like how much current or what is the meaning of short circuit? Short circuit means the path becomes short. You can take, see the path of current is this. Current is going like this. If I draw the path, this is the direction of path of the current. You can check. This is the path of the current. Clear? This is a path, actual path. Now this path becomes short. That's why we are saying short circuit. Now what happened in the short circuit? Let us understand the actual meaning of short circuit. So if I take any wire, I take a wire, this is a wire. Okay. This wire is having negligible resistance. Wire is having negligible resistance, a copper wire. I take this wire and fix it like this. I take this wire and fix like this. Like this. Now, after doing this, what is going to happen? Once I do like this, what is going to happen? We have to understand. Okay. Now, by doing that, what actually happening? This is having negligible resistance, very low resistance. Very low resistance. Low resistance. Or you can say this path is very low resistance path. Now, what is the nature of current? Current always follow the path which is having low resistance. Now current start from here. Now you can check initially what is the path, now what is the path. Now just look at this. Now current will flow like this. I'm drawing here. Okay, current is going like this current is going. Now current, see, this path is having negligible resistance, so current always follow the path which is having low resistance. So rather than going straight, it is going like this. Okay, again I'm drawing like this. Now this is the path. No current will flow through 6 ohm. Current is going like this. Understood? Now you can check path becomes short. Initially path is more. Now path becomes short. Now current is going to flow like this. Now there is no current will flow through 6 ohm. So we can remove this. We can neglect this. There is no current will flow. No current will flow through 6 ohm. So 6 ohm is useless. No current will flow through 6 ohm. And this is known as short circuiting. No current. So we can remove this. Now actual circuit will be, if you draw again, it's like this. Okay. 6 volt like this. Now current will be, let us suppose next, now current will be I dash. Now value of I dash, how much? I dash will be V by R, 6 by 3. What is the answer? 2 ampere. Okay. Now you can check earlier current is 2 by 3 is I think 0.6. zero point 0.6 something, 0.66 ampere. Now it is 2 ampere. Now you can check current is increasing. Increase heavily current. Earlier it is 0.66, now it is 2 ampere. I dash is greater than I. Then what is the impact of this? The impact of this device, 3 ohm, that is any appliance, okay? Any appliance is having the resistance that is known as load. This load, or we can say appliance, this load, or you can say any electrical appliance will be damaged because heavy current is going to pass through this. Then there may be a chances that it may be damaged. Okay, it may catch fire. Its capacity is something else, but you are providing more than that. That may be like it can't bear. It may catch fire, or this device can damage. It may damage. Okay, understood? Clear? So at the time of short circuit, the electric current in the circuit increase heavily. Option D is correct. Is it clear? Is still you have doubt? Any comment? Any doubt you want me to ask? You can ask. Second thing I want to tell, like some students are asking me, like, sir, solve 2024 numericals board. I will solve. Don't worry. I am telling you one thing, like focus on your concept. Concept learning means focus on your concept, and rest thing will automatically okay. All things. For example, I am solving this question. Why? Why am I able to solve? Because I know the concept of short circuiting. That's why I'm able to give answer now. In the same way, you people focus on the concepts. Any question, whatever question they want to frame, any level you can solve. So you focus on your concept again and again. I'm saying, learn the concept in depth. Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Thank you.